Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all box accessories of Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Here is the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE box, and let's open it to see what's inside. And inside, on the bottom part of the box, you get just the phone. And on the top part, you get an accessory box. Let's take it out and let's open it. Inside you get a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, quick start guide, safety guides, and a warranty card, as well as a SIM card tray opener, and that's all inside of the box. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.